Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a BMW guys, today we'll be working on a 3 Series BMW, but even if you have other BMW guys, I think the information will be very helpful. We'll show you guys where the radio suppression module is located and how to get to it. So stay with us. We'll be demonstrating here guys on a BMW F30, so it should work for F30, F31 and F34 I think. But if you guys have 5 Series or anything else like X1, X2, X3, I think the location will be very close as well. So make sure guys you stay with us and we'll explain where ours is located. Quick introduction, every car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the videos. Hopefully guys you will find the information helpful. So first guys, we'll need to do quite a bit of work to get to that thing. What do we need to do? We need to remove our guys CPU covers here. That's for the CPU cover. And the cover I'm talking about, let me grab one, are those right here. Stay with us. We'll need to remove the left one and we'll show you guys how to do that, and then we'll explain about where that suppression radio filter is located as well. So we'll demonstrate you guys how to remove the right CPU right here. So let me show you guys what it looks like. If when you have the window you won't be able to see all that, but a few things that you need to consider guys. You actually have 3 clips and one that slides in. Now without a window I can show you all that and how it works. Otherwise you'll be doing everything from the inside guys, everything from the inside. But you will guys have one clip here, one clip there. So we get here with a plastic panel too, and if you can do that since we don't have the window it's a little bit easier for me to actually bring it out, but with the window you will have a little bit more trouble. But what you do when you have the window, you're going to start on this side right here, and here there is another clip guys, so we're going to leave the seal, go underneath. You have your side airbag here, so you have to be extremely careful. Because check it out, this is your side airbag, so careful not to punch anything, not to break anything, because guys that could be catastrophic. So when you get those clips out, one of them got back in, you're going to grab that piece and let me come on the other side so I can show you. And you're going to grab it guys and you're going to slide it forward. It's stuck under the seal I think. We have one clip there guys. Let me see what is happening, because I think this clip you slide it out. This clip when you grab it, it slides out, but it got in here. Check it out now. That's what we're doing. You cannot remove the last clip. That last clip, that's actually the one that you remove first guys. This is the one that goes in this canal. Let me get close, and it slides out guys. It's usually stuck right here, so when you pop it loose to some degree, and you remove these 2 clips, the one here and the one over there, you're going to go ahead and slide it out until it comes to right here. You can see what the clip looks like, and then the last clip will come out of there, which is the one located all the way here. So that's how you guys remove the CPU on that BMW. The other side is exactly the same guys, just like this one. So now guys, with that CPU cover out of the way, if you come right here on the driver's side, that device right here guys, this is your radio suppression filter module guys. This device right here, all we have to do is disconnect 2 wires and get a Torx 20 start looking bit, and that thing comes out guys. You can see that's where it's located right there. You don't have one like that on the right side, it's only guys on the left side. So I believe it will be located there for many BMWs, but if you have any specific questions guys, let us know. Leave a comment below and we'll try to make a video for your problem. We guys are doing window replacement here, so we decided to show you where all the modules are and all that stuff. But when you guys remove the cover and replace that module, be very careful, because you're very close to your side airbag and you don't want that thing to blow up, guys, in your face. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find it and get to it. Please, guys, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.